I'm recording here a very unusual form of streptomyces recovered from the floor sample of Gokulde Kavan, a very ancient prehistoric Kavan, which we had sampled on 30th March in Kepem Taluka, South Goa district in Goa state. Now this sample was drilled as a core and brought to the microlab of Goa University, and then we are examining it, and then we found this very interesting coiled streptomyces colony, which is ramifying the humus particle. Now this humus must be thousands of years old on the cave floor, because hardly any habitation is there around, and it takes a very long time for formation of such core samples under cave environment, because the pedogenesis or soil formation process is controlled by many factors like sedimentation, erosion, aeolian or wind-borne deposits, and biogenic soil by animal activity and all. What now we are watching is a representative colony of very rare, perhaps of soil, the litter degrading actinomycetes in a cavernous environment, a rock shelter environment, regarding which very little information is available in the world about such type of rare actinomycetes. This is generally the picture which we get from the slide. Mostly humus particles, dark melanized, then quartz. But we came across this very interesting, nicely developed streptomyces colony, and the aerial mycelium is clearly projected, and it must be very slow growing culture, because it's just around 2 weeks since we have examined this sample, and it was sealed sample. So when the slide is made in DPX mountain, because it is a core sample, so the original spring-like aerial mycelium has been conserved and preserved very well in this particular specimen, and this video is taken to show the microhabitat of such type of actinobacterial colonies in tropical rare rock shelter environment. And this is the first video in this regard of any actinobacteria colony which is found in a core sample of the floor of the rock shelter, which is thousands of years old, and where we are examining the inscriptions or petroglyphs, some carvings on the surface of the rock shelter. So this is a floor sample which could or could have been inhabited by humans, or we don't know much about it because detailed studies are required. But for a microbiologist, this is a very important discovery, that cave floors could really be teeming with such type of rare This work was performed along with my PhD research student Sujata Dabolkar in month of March 2022, and we are recording this. This slide was prepared by her on 18th of April 2022.